for Wake County until 7:45 p.m. At 7:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fuquay-Varina, 12 miles north of Livingston, moving at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fuquay-Varina. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Wake, North Carolina. At 6:51 p.m. a thunderstorm was reported at the Raleigh-Durham Airport. The temperature was 80 degrees